Okay, this is how to wash a dog. Okay, Lola. Lola, look what we got. Look what we got.
Come on, you gotta get in the bucket.
Hey, Lola.
Come here. No. Oh, you're okay. You're okay.
Oh my God.
Okay, you ready?
Wash. This is how not to wash a dog.
Okay, we'll try this again. Now, does Andy do this when in a tub?
Yeah, she's showered on the tub. No, you're good.
Okay, it's okay, Lola. It's okay. There we
No,
go.
you're good.
You're okay.
You're good, just kidding.
You're okay.
You're good. No. It's okay. It's okay. You're good. Hey, Lola.
Hey, Lola. Okay, sit down. Snap your fingers, Serenity, and see if she'll sit.
Sit.
Okay, sit. You can do it. You gotta
Okay.
sit. It's warm water, see? Look at how warm it is.
This dog really likes the water.
Okay, sit down. Yeah, you can do it. Get ready, we're gonna do.
Good girl.
Yay!
There
Good
we go.
girl! Yay! Good girl! Can you sit in the water?
Yeah.
Go on, sit. Sit. Yeah, she's not.
She's so happy.
How are you going to wash her face?
All right, we'll get to that part. Okay, you gotta hold it where you get the shampoo.
Where's the shampoo?
It's over there. Good girl. Look at that.
She's doing good now.
She doesn't like it.
No.
Oh, she's having fun. How to shampoo a dog.
Yeah.
Yeah, her face looks thrilled.
Okay, bring the camera.